Hi, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to teach you on how are we going to install handle on panel. Okay, so let's say I have this panel. Everything I install here is a panel type. I'm using vertical panel and also layer panel. Now we want to install door. Okay, handle. So how are we going to do it? First, you need to press B ball on your keyboard, and it turns to this button. Then it means you have successfully pressed B already. And then you press to the panel that you want to install door, right click, and then transform to door panel. When you transform to door panel, you will see handle. Click on handle and install the handle that you want. Okay, so you can see my handle is installed on top of it. Then you can adjust to the way that you want. Alright, so that's all from me. Thank you.